Cab entrance grab handle fitting instructions. Remove the blind and A-pillar plastic covers. Refer to your vehicle's blind manual. As you can see, there are multiple different models, so we cannot give you that information. The plastic covers are held in place by plastic clips. Remove the boot seal, and the plastic will unclip. Note that some models have an additional black plastic packer. Be careful not to lose these. Be careful not to damage the tweeter speaker cabling. Install 2-bax riv nuts onto the factory hexagonal holes. As seen in the picture, they are 240 mm apart. The cabling on the driver's side must be relocated so it is not trapped. Bolt the handle onto the riv nuts and install the supplied rivet in the lower bracket. The top bracket only has the one bolt. Partially clip the plastic trim in situ, ensuring the top locator pin aligns with the locator hole. With a pencil, mark the location of the cutout to be made. Trim away at the plastic covers in small increments to get them to fit as tightly as possible. Once you are happy with your work, push the plastic cover in place and ensure that it clips all the way home and is not under tension. Once satisfied with the plastic's fit, the blinds can be refitted if you have one. Next, refit the boot seal. This image shows an older version of the handle. Carefully tuck the rubber under the grab handle. If the rubber is not transitioning nicely, removing extra plastic above and below the bracket will often resolve this. Remove any remaining pencil marks, test blinds, and clean out. If you have any problems fitting these handles, call us on 09 427 8247. Did you know? We also make cab entrance steps to go with these entrance handles.